G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons. I'm here at Vanman at their new premises in Belmont North in New South Wales, and we're going to have a look at this. This is the Stockman 18'6". You ready? Get ready. Now the fabulous thing is that getting an 18'6" van with off-road suspension, this has got the off-road control rider suspension, which is terrific. And then of course the chassis. Now the chassis from Vanman all come with a 5-year warranty. That's an excellent feature. And you can choose whether you want aluminium or steel. The best thing is you've then got the DO35 hitch. That's really good. And the tyres are off-road tyres. Wonderful. Now then you've got the picnic tray, and you've got outside sound system, and you've got the awning, and you've got LED lighting, and you've got all the beaut features that you want, including a massive box area at the front, so that all your tools and things like that, you've got somewhere to protect those. That's a good feature. Now, this is just like a holiday house because everything's so easy. You've got terrific cabinetry up here, and each of the cabinets have got piano hinge and double struts. Good feature. You've got an exhaust fan here. That's a great feature. Plus you've got this beaut blackware. This is filtered water. You've got some drawers here, which are great size. And of course, there's a pot cupboard down here, and then a pantry area in here. Very good. Got griller here. Open this up. See how you've got so much extra bench space, but when you open that up, that's nicely protected. So you've got 3 gas and 1 electric. Now let me show you the lounge area. So the Vanman Stockman has some incredible features. This is a 1-piece ceiling. 1 piece, no little joins, all 1 piece. Over here, microwave oven, compressor fridge. That's excellent. Now, having a compressor fridge, you're also going to get 2 170-watt solar units, and you're getting 2 batteries as well. Great things. Coming across here, this is your cafe lounge. Now the cafe lounge is very clever because 2 of you can sit in comfort, but importantly you can roll around and look at the TV because the TV is nice and easy to watch. And then this table comes out so it's nice and large, so you can prep, you can work, you can enjoy. It's a great size table. That folds back. In behind there is more storage again, and when you speak of storage, there's storage under each of these as well. So you've got storage there, storage under there, and cabinetry up here. This is your BM Pro. That's your battery management system, and that comes with the Vanman Stockman. Let me show you the bedroom area. Now when you go on holidays, the bed is just an integral part of having a great time, and the bed here is fabulous. So you've got a good size bed, plenty of storage up here. You'll notice there's mirrors on either side. Open that up, you've got full wardrobe area, but the beaut part is you've got easy reach reading lamps, and then down here you've got 12 volt and 240 volts. So if you're at a caravan park and you're using a CPAP machine or whatever, you've already got your 240 volt on either side of the bed. That's a great feature. Now the other thing is this one comes with Wi-Fi, so Wi-Fi is included. The blinds are fabulous. These just slide straight up, so you've got terrific privacy, or you can just have the fly screen or combine them and you can have a mix and match. So that's just wonderful, isn't it? Now the air conditioning, that's all standard, that's included, so you've got it all. Now the bathroom in the Vanman Stockman is really surprising. There's even a linen cupboard there. So you've got linen cupboard, spare drawers, and then you've got a washing machine already built in. Fabulous part is you've got natural light coming in through the window, plus an exhaust fan built into the shower area and also above the toilet. So that is very thoughtful. Toilet's already there, of course, and then there's fabulous lighting and a big mirror. So as a bathroom goes, it's a winner. So how do you get your Stockman 18'6"? Well, you come to Vanman and you get on the web, vanman.net.au, vanman.net.au, and let them help you. I'll see you on the road.